we want to look at it from two angles. One is in terms of the share price movement. And we know stock prices change every day by market forces, demand, supply. If the demand is high, then that means the price is likely to go up. If the supply is more than the demand, then it pushes the prices down. So we are going to look at which stocks are this in 2022 that experienced good share price appreciation. And then you're going to look at it from the dividend point of view as well. As we had said, dividend is the distribution of profits by companies to the shareholders. But even as we are looking at the dividend that the companies have paid, it's also good to understand, the dividend yield of these companies. This is just shows you how much the company pays its shareholders in relative to its share price. And then it's also good to understand the dividend payout ratio for this, and that is a percentage of the total earnings that are paid to their shareholders in the form of dividends. So what percentage of the company's earnings are they paying? Are they being stingy? Are they sharing most of this? And then, because sometimes the companies might share a lot, or they might share very little, but then what they're holding back, they're using it to advance the company. So those are also, not to think of it as just like how much am I getting in terms, but so how much dividend am I getting per share that I have. So we'll start off with the share price appreciation, and then we'll look at Kaya in general, had one of the best in terms of share price appreciation. Kaya in general deals with wide range of power generation, automotive and engineering products. So it opened the year at 33.95 and closed at 47.45. Just make a mental note of that price appreciation. Then we have NCBA, which opened the year at 25 shillings and 45 cents. And by 30th of December, it was closing at 39 shillings and 35 cents. Crown, we always know it as, if you like it, Crown it, deals with selling a range of paints and for home decor, construction and all. So it opened the year at 30 shillings and 50 cents. And as at 30th of December, when the market was closing at the close of the year, it was at 41 shillings and 85 cents. Then Limuru Tea as well, sorry, opened the year at 320 shillings. And by the end of the year, it was closing at 420 shillings. So those are the main ones, but we also want to just take a mental note and appreciate that despite the challenging times, a total of 21 stocks on the NSE recorded positive share price performance. And then, so at Shabu just picked some that we felt would be notable for us to look at. We've already looked at NCBA, look at Stanbic starting off at 87.25 and closing the year at 102. Think of BAT at 441, closing off at 460. ABSA at 11 shillings and 85 cents, closing the year at 12.30. So you can just see the percentage increase in terms of price. Giving a good potential of, if you think that if you came in at the beginning of the year and this, your portfolio will be ranked at with that price at the close of the year. So it's a pretty good investment if you ask me. Then, as we said, we'd also look at the dividend, that the stocks that paid the best dividend. So we have Kakuzi paying out 22 shillings by the end of the year, Williamson Tea 20 shillings, Jubilee 13 shillings, and Kapchorwa 10 shillings. But then, as we had said before, even as much as we are looking at how much dividend the company paid, we also need to take into consideration also what is the dividend yield and what's the dividend payout ratio, for you to be able to make a better informed decision on the companies to invest in. And again, the disclaimer again, we wish that it continues like this and we get even more stocks, but it's also good to always remember that in as much as the stocks performed well in 2022, it's not a surety that they're going to perform as well in 2023. We hope they do, or even better. And then we even have more stocks performing better in 2023. So at this juncture, I think we have all seen there's a poll that my teammates have shared. So please take time and answer that. It will be very helpful.